Hello. So today it's a day 3 of word problems on fractions. In this session, we will discuss only problems related to multiplication and division. So let's start. First question is Mrs. Mary had 7 by 9 of a sheet of chart paper. She used 3 by 7 of it. How much chart paper did she use? See, Mrs. Mary had some part of a sheet of paper and then she used something of it. She used 3 by 7 of it. How much chart paper did she use? Means Mrs. Mary had this of a sheet of chart paper. She used 3 by 7 of it. 3 by 7 of it. See, of denotes multiply. Of denotes multiply. So, in this question, we will multiply it. So, Mrs. Mary had a piece of chart paper is equal to 7 by 9. She used 3 by 7 of 7 by 9. This one chart paper she used 3 by 7 of it. That means 3 by 7 of 7 by 9. Of means multiply. So you can crisscross 7 by 7 and you can crisscross 3 and 9. So 1 by 3 chart paper, 1 by 3 part of the chart paper she has used. I hope you get this question. So let's move to the next question. Today, Manu spent 1 by 2 of his mathematics class of 3 by 4 hour duration. So, in doing science homework, so how much time did he spend on science? How much time did he spend on science? See what the question says. Manu spent half of his mathematics class of 3 by 4 hour duration in doing science homework. See, duration of mathematics class is 3 by 4 hour, and of which he did half of his mathematics class he did science homework. Okay, total duration of the class is this, and among this he did science homework half of it in is half of his class. So how much time did he spend on science? So total duration of mathematics class, total duration of math class Total duration of maths class is 3 by 4 hours, of which he spent half of the time in doing science homework. Time he spent in doing science homework is equal to half of his mathematics class of 3 by hour duration. Mathematics class duration is this, and half of the time he spent in doing science homework. So he spent 3 by 8 hours in doing science homework. So this is the answer. 3 by 8 hours he spent in doing science homework. This is the answer. I hope you get this question. 3 by 8 hours. Let's move to the next question. Where of is given, you have to multiply it. But you have to understand the question first. Not everywhere where of is given you have to multiply. Just try to understand the question. So question number 3. Out of a class of 45 students, 2 by 3 went on a picnic. So how many students went on a picnic? How many students went on a picnic? So in this question, a class have number of students is 45, and out of 45 only 2/3 went on a picnic. So you have to find in numbers, okay? So in that case, what we will do, we will multiply it. We will find of 45 of 2 by 3. So number of students in a class, number of students in a class is equal to 45. Students went on a picnic. Students went on a picnic is equal to 2/3 of 45. 2/3 of 45 students went on a picnic. So number of students went on a picnic. Find out this. So 30 students went on a picnic. This is its answer. 30 students went on a picnic. 30 students went on a picnic. Let's move to the next question, number 4. The price of 1 meter of cloth is 25 and a half. What would be the price of what would be the price of 5 hole 7 by 15 meters of cloth? See, this is also a question of multiplication. It is not a case of, it is not a case of, it is a case of simple multiplication, that you are given the price of 1 meter of cloth and you have to find the price of big number of cloth. So you will multiply it. So price of 1 meter of cloth is 25 whole 1 by 2, and price of 5 whole 7 by 15 meter of cloth is 25 whole 1 by 2 times 25 whole 1 by 2 times 5 whole 7 by 15. So yes, find out this. 25 times 2 is 50 and 50 plus 1 is 51. So 15 times 5 is 75 and 75 plus 7 is 82. So it's 82 by 15. Now you can crisscross it. 2 times 1 is 1, 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 1 is 1. Now 3 times 5 is 15 and 17 times 3 is 51. Okay, yeah. So now I have nothing to crisscross, so I will multiply it. 17 times 41. 17 times 41 is, it's 697 by 5. As we had given numbers, mixed fractional numbers, so we will find answer in mixed fraction also. Five times 3 is 15 and then 5 times 9 is 45. So it's 139 whole 2 by 5. This is the cost of 5 whole 7 by 15 meters of cloth. I hope you get this question. Let's move to the next question.